Trouble it there now.
Girl, me can't get enough. And you tight, you already know. Love send it up in you. Who's panic like that, me know. You are my one and only, you know. Ask anyone, Penny Avenue. Oh, if I know you, then I know nobody. Give me your govani. No, come on me yard in a nobody.
Oh, social media have my brain like how it have feel? Eh? Oh, everybody for know say you drive, right? Everybody for know say you drive, you go say popcorn, you go do this, you go do that, you go do Ray, Ray. Me posting my man say him can't wait for me come. And you are going to come tell me some fucker. Me done post you, me done post about the relationship. I am finished. You actually like what? That is your problem. Done.
I'm fully recording you guys.
Hi. Getting ready for Jamaica. You guys, I'm going to Jamaica. Like,
I hate her.
I haven't seen my man in 4 months. Well, I mean, I see him every day, but Joel, it's 4 months.
So fast?
August, September, October, November, December. Wait.
Why are you coming?
I mean April. April, May, June, July, August. It's like literally 4 months because I came down, what, April 26? April 26?
Yeah, sure.
You guys are crazy. Oh, I don't want to be on camera, bro.
You guys stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm going to Jamaica today. You know. Yo, I am so freaking excited! Trying to see that shit in 3D, mommy. I'm coming to see that shit in 3D, daddy. Oh, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like 4 months, yo. Like, bruh. 4 months, 3 hours, 5 days, okay? And then 4 months again, but yo, I'm grateful for the time. Anytime it could have been 1 day, I'm grateful. I'm so fucking excited. I'm nervous though, holy shit. But yo, here we go. Start to Jamaica vlogs, you guys. It's a vacation. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go see my baby. Air Canada. Talk to me. Go talk to my nice people. I'm rich. I'm rich.
I feel like I'm here.
Oh my god, baby, I'm coming. I'm coming to see you.
Yeah, bless it.
Okay, so I'm flying. Next stop, Jamaica. Hey. I'm so fucking excited. Oh my god. I miss my husband, you know, Joel. You know, Smith. Oh my god, baby. Like, I'm so freaking excited. I can't believe, like, the day is finally here. I get to see my baby. I get to see you, baby. Hug you, kiss you, embrace you. Smell you, taste you. All the above. I'm excited. I miss you so freaking much. You know that's already though. You know how it goes. Now now just to get out and get outside.
Jamaica, look what I have! Oh my gosh! Say hi to the vlog. You guys, my husband is here. He's being a pervert as per usual, but my husband is here. Oh God. Oh, y'all, it's hot. But not telling a lie, it's hot in this part of Africa. Time at what? Yeah, I just seen it. Can you?
Yes, Phil,
Let's go.
Clear the seat, Phil.
I want to go home and sleep. I'm tired. No one wants to sleep. No, I'm sleeping. That ass. Tomorrow, trouble. Yes. No, tomorrow. Move.
Oh
yeah, I'm so excited. See, as I come and give him documents, everything after me.
Everything.
Everything. Alright, come. Woo! Woo! Boy, alright. Oh my God, this is so cool, you guys. I didn't know when I was gonna come back, but I'm back. Boy, people think we get no phone.
Welcome back.
Anyways, guys. Bye. Change it ever home? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. I can't believe I'm in here. Like, it's so surreal. It feels so weird. It feels so weird. Like, it feels so weird, you guys. Like, it's so surreal. Like, you know, I don't know how to explanation it. I never felt this way before, but maybe because this is the longest, you know? But yo, I'm here.
Welcome back.
Yes, the lady was like, welcome to Kingston, Jamaica. She's like, is it your first time here? I'm like, no. Do you not see my passport?
Welcome.
Like, do you not see my passport? It's definitely not the first time, but yeah. I'm gonna go home. I am like, I'm not really tired, but traveling is just too much sometimes. But yeah, go home, eat, relax.
We stop and get hot.
No, let's just go to KFC. KFC first stop. Oh my God, you guys have to get it. Am I kind of tough still? Subscribe.
Oh man, continue. Alright, man. Almost sweet.
We're not going to do it. Don't worry.
Yeah, so clean.
You guys, your tour guide said to show you the city. See it here. Tell them where we are, what we're doing.
Yeah, this is Marcus Garvey Drive, you know, the hero. Never plays hero. Marcus Garvey. The national hero. So Marcus Garvey Drive heading towards Portmore Town. Yeah, no. I live the dream. Forward toward the city, you know. I'm gonna say no, it's a Kingston walk, I bury them forward. Kingston.
Oh, by yourself?
Yeah, show them the Kingston walk.
Sorry.
Walk, no man, walk never that man. Kingston walk, and all I have to do is yeah, over there, so now where the car them come. Show them which car come and jump.
Who said there? Who said there's nothing here?
Every day can come in over this.
You just pay attention to the road, okay? Jesus. Okay, guys, Bay wants me to show y'all Portmore Mall KFC. What? Tell them over there. The big mall? Okay. So, how far are we from home? You can come out this way? Yo guys, I am in Jamaica and it's hot. Me not telling a lie. The time hot. Frig. The time hot. Can I get a wow?
Wow.
KFC with her?
Wow.
Hey!
Call the ambulance, Red Cross, yeah? Wow.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Jamaica with her? Yo, your wows are not up to par, babe.
Wow.
Yes. Can I get a?
Can I go on the road?
Can I get a? Wow. Wow. Bye-bye. Turn up it up. So wow. So yeah, we're gonna go get some KFC for me. Some KFC for me. Kaguri is hungry. I'm gonna eat since.
Line. Couple hours ago.
I'm gonna eat since yesterday.
What? You ate at the airport?
Oh, the sandwich, yeah. See, that never even hold me. That was how much hours ago?
Before. Just switch over, man. And then there's a lot of food.
Jesus.
Yes, it is. Yeah, oh God, oh God. You must have get back down the rotation. Yeah, skills.
No, you didn't.
What? The patience, man.
And mine isn't on. Yeah, I know. They'll give ticket, yeah.
Jamaica take a while for last, okay.
But even then, when they do make laws, it's not even like people really abide by them, so. You love give too much friggin' blind, drive a car.
Get blind alive, get blind. Want to reach over me?
I'm hungry.
That's an appetite. So excited at that banana.
So excited for what? Me? You see me every day.
Not in the physical, not in the flesh.
So when I talk to you on WhatsApp, the flesh not
out.
out.
Live and living colors.
Oh, okay, alright.
Live and in living colors.
I hear you.
Brownness.
Okay, I hear you. I'm kind of red right now.
Red. I got a look red child.
A red child? I don't think my child's gonna be you're not black.
Oh.
You're not black like tar. Joel, you're not black like tar. You could get a tattoo and it would show up on you. You're not black like tar. Whoa, black like tar. You see black like tar?
Black kaput. This is Bridgeport High School. Young it out. Bad charge that.
Anyhow, guys. When I get my KFC, when I reach home and I get my KFC, I will come back and then I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but we will see. Yeah, that's the name of this trip. Spontaneous.
Sponge? No, but calm down, put over the brakes, bro. Put over the brakes, man. Pretty soft, pretty brownie. Need no makeup.
Browning, you know, hear me, they call you.
No makeup at all.
And no pencil, no use drawing, song drums. Browning, you know, hear me, they call you. And if you're not say 6, no girl don't want you. But in the Axio me in the Prado. Browning, you know, hear me, they call you.
You know what I say, I wrote that.
Let me see money. Alright guys, this is Jamaican currency.
That's for 10 piece, 1,000, I call it $10.
$10.
US. Or Canadian. Yes, them look good today. I like them kind of sharpish nails.
Thank you.
With the white from it.
So anyways guys, we're at Kentucky Fried Chicken on. We're in the drive-thru. It didn't look too packed, but now it does. I'm gonna get my wings.
Slow them blood clots.
Yeah, Jamaica, you guys are slow. Yeah, I'm hungry, I'm tired, kind of. I don't really want to sleep. Oh, the day is slow. Excuse me? Right on my bed. It's not my house, it's my girl's. Food! Don't be so...
10 wings, one of this?
Yeah.
5 them give you.
It's 10.
10 can one of that?
5 barbecue and 5 hot spicy.
10 wings can one of this?
Hello, you not see the 10 in there?
Oh, if you never 10 yet, what am I robbing?
Come out of my food. Take your biscuit and go on.
Look at what you see now, I'm going to buy one for you.
You move on till the end. No place like your bed. Man, I take you for granted.